Somewhere in the universe, right now, a star is being torn apart, atom by atom, and swallowed whole. Black holes are the most violent, most extreme, and most terrifying objects that physics allows to exist. And the more we learn about them, the more unsettling they become. Here are 10 black hole facts that will genuinely disturb you. Number 1. If you fell into a black hole, you would be stretched into a strand of atoms. Physicists call this spaghettification. The gravitational pull on your feet would be so much stronger than on your head that your entire body would be elongated, stretched like taffy, into a thin stream of particles thousands of kilometers long. You would not explode. You would be unraveled. Number 2. Time stops at the event horizon. Einstein's general relativity tells us that gravity slows time itself. Near a black hole, time runs slower. At the event horizon, the point of no return, time stops completely from an outside observer's perspective. If you watched someone fall into a black hole, you would never actually see them cross the edge. They would freeze there, suspended forever, slowly fading as light can no longer escape. Number 3. Black holes destroy information, and that might break physics. According to quantum mechanics, information cannot be destroyed, ever. But when matter falls into a black hole, that information appears to vanish. This is the black hole information paradox, and it has been tormenting physicists for 50 years. Stephen Hawking spent decades wrestling with it. It remains unsolved. It implies that either quantum mechanics is wrong or general relativity is wrong. One of our two best theories of reality must be incomplete. Number 4. There is a supermassive black hole at the center of our galaxy. It is called Sagittarius A star. It is 4 million times the mass of our Sun. Every star in the Milky Way, including ours, orbits around it. We photographed it for the first time in 2022. It has always been there, silently anchoring our entire galaxy, hidden behind clouds of cosmic dust, completely invisible to the naked eye. Number 5. Black holes are invisible until it is too late. A stellar mass black hole, the kind formed when a single star collapses, emits no light, no radiation you can see, nothing. One could be drifting through our stellar neighborhood right now, and we would not know until it began disrupting nearby objects. In 2022, astronomers discovered one just 1,600 light-years from Earth. Floating, silent, invisible. Number 6. When two black holes collide, they shake the fabric of reality. In 2015, humanity detected gravitational waves for the first time. Ripples in space-time caused by two black holes merging 1.3 billion light-years away. The collision released more energy in a fraction of a second than all the stars in the visible universe combined. The distortion it created when it reached Earth was smaller than a proton. And we felt it. Number 7. Black holes are not forever. They slowly evaporate. Stephen Hawking discovered that black holes emit a faint thermal radiation, now called Hawking radiation, caused by quantum effects near the event horizon. Over an incomprehensibly long time, longer than the current age of the universe trillions of times over, a black hole will radiate away all of its mass and simply cease to exist. Even the most permanent objects in the universe are temporary. Number 8. The largest known black hole is beyond comprehension. TON 618 is an ultramassive black hole, 10.4 billion light-years away. Its mass is 66 billion times that of our Sun. Its event horizon is larger than our entire solar system. If you replaced our Sun with TON 618, all 8 planets, the Kuiper Belt, and Pluto would orbit inside it. Our entire solar system would fit inside its mouth. Number 9. Inside a black hole, the future points toward the center. In normal space, you can choose which direction to move in space, but you cannot choose to move backward in time. Inside a black hole's event horizon, those rules swap. Space becomes time, and time becomes space. Moving toward the singularity is not a direction you travel. It is the direction of the future. You cannot escape any more than you can choose to move into yesterday. Number 10. A black hole could be forming right now, close to us. Betelgeuse, one of the brightest stars in our night sky, just 700 light-years away, is a red supergiant that is actively dying. When it runs out of fuel, it will collapse and explode in a supernova, so bright it will be visible in daylight for weeks. Then its core will crush into a black hole. Astronomers believe it could happen any day now, or it may have already happened, and the light just hasn't reached us yet. Black holes are not science fiction. They are real objects that exist right now, in enormous numbers, doing all of these things, bending time, devouring stars, colliding with each other, slowly evaporating in a universe so vast that none of it will ever affect us directly. Probably. Subscribe for more facts about the universe that make existence feel genuinely strange.